Good day everyone. Today I want to show us how we can register our account on JobConnet without no issues. So I want you to stay close and go on with me to the end of this video so that you will not miss any part of it. So if you are new to JobConnet, this is how to register. You can continue your registration by clicking on sign in with Google, or you can just click on the sign up below here. So if I click sign in with Google, but if you don't want to sign in with Google, you can just sign up normally like this. You fill all the forms. My username, I'm going to enter my username. Then account type, so I'm going for either employee or job seeker. You can choose any of the two, either employee or job seeker. If it's for an employer who wants to recruit for new staffs, they can choose employer or company, but let me try and choose employee. So my gender is male. For employer, they can choose company instead of gender. So then I'll tick all the terms and conditions. And tick I'm done with this. Then the next one is sign up, so that I can fill the application form. So allow. On the first application form is filled, then we go to the second one, which is saying select country. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Then going to put all my informations there. I've put all the information. Let me save this first, so that if there's any issue, I know I've saved it. I will not repeat myself again. So okay, now this one is set. Then next, then I'll click on finish. So once you are in this part is for you to get your access license. The job application fee helps you have access to JobConnet premium jobs application that allows you to maintain job opportunity on JobConnet. So this is really cheap because all you just need is to have access. Then whatever job you are seeking for, you can just route it on the platform. You can also run your business using the marketplace or normal business. So that's just it. So once you click on get access, then you click on continue. Then you can choose where you want to make your payment. So the wallet credit is for those who are already in JobConnet and they have some certain amount on their wallet, so they can pay using their wallet credit. But you are just new, so you can either use Paystack or bank transfer. So most people prefer bank transfer because it's more safer. Copy the bank information and send to the designated bank. So once you have sent your bank transfer information, you are going to have a receipt. So you upload the receipt where they wrote bank receipt. Just click on that space there, it will take you to the upload. So once you are done uploading, it will take some few hours for that money to be checked and approved. So once that is done, you are in, so you can route your activities on JobConnet. That's just a simple way of applying for job on JobConnet. So if you have any question, you can reach us on our WhatsApp channel, and it is very mandatory for you to join the WhatsApp channel, so that you can be getting also notification of new post of job on that channel. So I want you to subscribe to this channel that we are posting this video on, to help us also grow more than so that everyone that needs a direct premium job can also get opportunity on applying for a new job. Thank you for watching, and good luck applying for your new job.